Greetings, everyone. I want to give you another quick tutorial on the Outlook sidebar for Act. So I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on Note right here. And I'm just going to put a simple note in here. I'm going to put Fred's wife is Wilma. Okay, I'm going to save this. Next, after I save this, I'm going to go back to Microsoft Outlook. And right here, here is the sample email that I sent to myself, but here's the Fred Flintstone one. I want you to observe over here on the right-hand side, I can do a couple things. I can collapse these areas. So if I want, I can click on this arrow to collapse the information. But as I scroll down, I can see history information and note information. And here it says Fred's wife is Wilma. If I actually click on the date of that, the actual note will pop up. Now at this point in time, I cannot edit this, but I can go in and see what has been written. So I'm going to click OK and get out of there. The next thing I'm going to do is under Actions, I'm going to come in and I'm going to schedule something with Fred Flintstone. So I'm going to click on Add Activity. Once I come in and click on Add Activity, what do I want to do? Is it a meeting? What is it going to be? And I'm going to choose, let's do a meeting, but let's do it for, let's say, 2:15. Actually, I don't want to do AM. Sorry about that. I'm going to come in and I'm going to change it to today, 2 p.m. And it's going to end at, let's say, 2:15 p.m. It's going to be a meeting, just a brief meeting. And I'm going to just say something in here like test meeting with Fred. Oop, bad typing. Test meeting with Fred. And I'm going to come down and click on Add Activity. Now what's interesting is in that activity that I just scheduled, it took all the contents of this email and it added it. So now let me go back over to Fred in here. I'm going to click on Activities. You're going to notice there it is, Test Meeting with Fred. If I want to see the contents of it, I can click on the pencil icon, and over here on the right-hand side is the actual meeting information. So it's pretty cool the way you can use this to do a lot of different things just to make this software a little bit more convenient to work with. So some of these things you might use, some of them you might not, but you know what? It's a great tool, and I highly recommend taking a look at the Act and Outlook sidebar. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the things you could do with it. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Be well. Bye now.